Good morning, students. Today we have to again going on next topic, and now this topic related from chapter number 1, number system. We have to revise our chapter number 1. Now the topic is octal number system to convert in decimal number form. But student, again I have to tell very important thing is that you have to know about number system. Octal means 8 number digit starting from 0 and ending section is 7. The base is 8 and decimal number form is starting from 0 and now the ending section is 9. The base is 10. Now the problem is here 10528 means this number is in octal number and we have to convert this number in decimal number series. Okay. First of all, we have to write in singular form 1052. Here 4 number is here 1052. 1052. Octal number series. So we have to multiply by each and every number by 8. 1 multiply by 8, 0 multiply by 8, 5 multiply by 8 and 2 multiply by 8. Again students, you have to see this. Again student, you have to see this symbol. This symbol is represented by multiplication. This symbol is represented by multiplication. 1 multiply by 8, 0 multiply by 8, 5 multiply by 8 and 2 multiply by 8. We have to, starting from this section of this number, we have to write the power is 0 and write increasing in one form 0, 1, 2, 3, starting 0, increasing by 1 or in 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. After this, we have to solve this problem from this series. 8 power 0 means 8 power 0 means 1. 1 multiplied by 2, write 2. Again, 8 power 0 means 1. 1 multiplied by 2, 2. 8 power 1, 8 multiplied by 1, 8 1 8. 8 multiplied by 5, 8 multiplied by 5, 8 5 are 40. 8 power 2, 8 into 8, 16. But 16 multiplied by 0, we have to know each and every number multiplied by 0. Now we get 0. It is a common thing, students. 8 power 3 means we have to multiply by 8 in 3 times. 8 multiplied by 64 and 64 multiplied by 8, we have to get 554. So student, 8 4 32 and 32 carry 3, 6 48, 49, 50, 51. We have to get 512. Okay. 512 plus 0 plus 4, 0 40 plus 2. We have to get 554. But the number is not complete. The number is not complete. First of all, we have to again discuss upper side this thing. 8 multiplied by 0 means 8 power 0, 1. 1 multiplied by 2, 2. 8 power 1, 8 multiplied by 1, 8. 8 5, 40. 8 power 2, 16. 16 multiplied 0, we get 0. 8 power 3, we have to multiply by 8 by 3 times. 8 8 64 multiplied by 8, 8 to the 32. Write 2, carry 3, 6 8 48, 48 plus 3, 512, 512. We have to write 512 here. After this, we have to each and every number sum. Here we get 554. But this number is not converted in decimal number because we have to write in this form 554 and now the base is 10. Here the answer of octal number system to decimal number system form. Now students, second topic is conversion from decimal to octal. Again we have to notice that we have to convert decimal form into octal form. So we have to write a example. Now, example is 956. It is a decimal number because the base is 10 and convert in octal. Octal base is 8. So we have to write in this form 952. 952 divided by 8. Each and every number divided by 8. So we have to write 952 and divided by 8. When we have to divide 952, we have to write here first of all remainder. 952 divided by 8. Now the remainder is 0. 8 divided by 119. Now we have to get 7. Now again we have to, starting from this section, 8 divided by 14, we have to get 1, remainder is 6. We have again divided by 8 not complete division by 1, so we have to write here 1. We have to write in inverse form 1670. 1670 is changed in octal form. Here the answer is here 1670, the base is octal. Here the answer 956, decimal number to octal number. Again we have to see this method, every number divided by 8. Every number divided by 8, and now we have to write this number series. Remainder is here, but now we have to see this arrow means we have to write this number system, means remainder we have to write down stairs to up stairs. 1670. 1670. We have to write in this form. This is the octal series number. Yes, students. Now next conversation, binary to octal. Now again we have to see this number binary. Binary, the base is 2. Base to convert in octal means to convert in 8 means binary to octal. Here the example 101110, the base is 2 means it is a binary number, and this binary number we have to convert in this octal number. So first of all we have to write here 101110, and we have to convert into binary number because the base is 2. So first of all we have to multiply by each and every number by 2. 1 multiplied by 2, 0 multiplied by 2, 1 multiplied by 2, 1 multiplied by 2, 1 multiplied by 2, and 0 multiplied by 2. We have to write here starting power 0, increasing by 1, 2, every digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total number is here 6, starting from 0 and ending here is 5. So total number is 6. So first of all we have to start from right hand side to left hand side. 2's power 0. 2's power 0. It means we get 1. 1 multiplied by 0. 0. Understood this thing? 2's power 1. 2 multiplied by 1. 2. 2. 1. 2. 2. 2's power 3. 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 1 ja 2. 2 ja 4. 4 2 ja 8. So we have to write here 8. Now again 2's power 4. 2 ones are 2. 2 are 4. 4 to 8. 8 to 16. But 16 multiplied by 0 we get 0. 2's power 5. So we have to multiply 2 by 5 times. 2 ones 2 4 into 8 into 2 16. 16 multiplied by 2 32. So we have to write here 32. After this, write this solution. We have to add all the products of sum. All the products of sum. All the products of sum. So we get 46. 46 in octal form. Now the answer is here 46 in octal form. Here student, you have to see here this thing. We have to convert binary to octal. Binary to octal. You have to see before complete this answer. We have to first of all see here 2 points. This form we have convert this binary number to octal. We have to convert in 2 forms. First portion and second portion. So we have to get first portion. Here we have to write this is a wrong portion because we have to convert binary to octal. Binary to octal. So first of all we have to change in decimal number. Decimal number. That's why I have write here 10. 10 is the form of decimal number. And in decimal number we have changed into octal number series. So we have to write here 46 again divided by 8. We have to get octal number series, so we have to write this portion 46 divided by 8, remainder 6, 8 multiplied by 40, 46 minus 40 we get 6, 8 not convert divided by 5, so we have to write 5. After this we have to again write down stairs to up stairs. Now the answer we get 56 in octal series or octal form number. So we have to convert binary to octal number. But listen, we have to solve this quotation in 2 forms. First of all, we have to change binary, and after this binary we have changed to decimal to octal number. Okay. Yes, student. Now next, converting from hexadecimal to decimal. Now this hexadecimal number 1AC hexadecimal we have to convert in decimal form. This series where we have to solve, we have to write down in our mind or in our copy. We have 2 steps for solve this series. First of all, we have to convert in decimal form. First multiply by 16. First multiply by 16, A multiply by 16 and C multiply by 16. You know about that 16 is a hexadecimal number, and right hand side to left hand side we have to write power 0 and digits increase by 1, 0, 1, 2. So we have to understood this thing. 16 power 1 means 1. C represent 12, 0 to 9 and A, B, C, D, E, F. So A represent, C represent by 12. 12 multiplied by 1, 12. Here A multiplied by 16 and their power is 1. 16 power by 1. So we get 16. Here A is represent 10. So 16 multiplied by 10, 160. And 16 power 2, we get 16 multiplied by 16, we get 256. So after this, solve this series, we have to get 428 in decimal number system. But this is the part first, converting hexadecimal to decimal. Now the remaining part we have to convert this number form in this form. We have to write 428 divided by 16. 16 divided by 26, we get 10. 16 is not divided by 1, so we have to write here 1, 10, 12. And we have to again write down the stairs to up the stairs. Now 1, A means 10. A means 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then A represented by 10 and C represented by 12. So we have to write 1, A, C in hexadecimal form. Yes, student. Next number, converting from hexadecimal to binary number. Again, I have tell one thing again. Hexadecimal means 16. The base is 16. Now those number represent 16. Their base. Now the number is hexadecimal, and binary is 0, 1 means 2. The base is 2. Base 2 represent binary. So the number is D3 hexadecimal. Convert into binary form. Why? Because the base is 2. D multiply by 16 plus 3 multiply by 16. 16 multiply 16. Now here we have to write power 0. Now the digit increasing by 1. We have to understand D. D represent 13. 13 multiplied by 16 and 16 multiplied by 16 power 1. 1 multiplied by 3 is we have to write here 3. And D represent 13. So 13 multiplied by 16 plus 3. 13 multiplied by 16 we get 208 plus 3. After this we have to sum, we have to write in decimal number form. 211. We have to notice 211 we have to write in decimal form. Convert decimal number to binary. Convert decimal number to binary. Here you have to notice this is the part A and part 2. We have to solve this problem into two steps. The first step is here and the second step is here. First step we have to convert 16 in decimal, means hexadecimal to convert in decimal. After decimal we have to convert in binary form. So student, you have to write here or see here 211 in decimal number form, but decimal number form we have to convert in binary. So we have to divided by binary number system. The base is here. So we have to divided by this number to this number. We have to write in sequence. After this we have to see remainder is here. Again we have to notice that all remainders we have to write in downstairs, means last steps to upstairs. Downstairs to upstairs. 1 1 0 1 0 0 1 1. And now the answer is here. Now D3 means hexadecimal number we have to convert in binary numbers.